Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a very special video for you guys today. This video is in collaboration with MAC. I'm so excited to be working with MAC on another special campaign. This campaign features their new Powder Kiss lipsticks, and yes, I am wearing one right now. I am wearing the Powder Kiss lipstick in Shocking Revelation, a beautiful blue undertone red. And yeah, I'm just gonna talk to you guys about this campaign and what their Powder Kiss lipsticks are all about. They are a breakthrough formula, both moisturizing and matte. They were originally born backstage. It is ideally a product where moisture meets matte. It smoothens the lips, gives the lips a weightless feel. It's lightweight, comfortable, and non-bleeding. These Powder Kiss lipsticks are filled with pigment. You can get a light wash of color to a stained lip to a full pigmented, gorgeous, bold lip, like what I'm rocking right now. I can't wait for you guys to see how I created this look. Let me know what you guys think and stay tuned for the tutorial. So I'm gonna be starting off with the skin. I love these products for prepping my skin. This is the Prep and Prime Essentials Oil. And it has grapefruit and chamomile in it. Super hydrating, concentrated ingredients, and it just feels so good on the skin. The makeup just applies so much nicer, and it's just one of my holy grails. So while that sinks into the skin, I'm gonna move on to eyes. I'm gonna be using the MAC Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. And I'm just gonna be applying that straight to my lids. So what I love about this is it not only primes the eyes, it has a little bit of color which cancels out any darkness on the lids. I just got this little palette from MAC. It's the MAC Art Library palette, and this one is so pretty. It has so many nice warm shades. It looks like this. For the eyes, I'm going to start off with using the shade What's the Pointillism. And it's a frost off-white with little specks of gold shimmer, and I'm just applying that to the brow bone. As a transition shade in the crease, I'm going to be using the shade Samoa Silk. It's like a very pretty peach, light peach shade. And I'm just going to use that right in the crease as our transition shade. Shade Data Issues. It's a soft matte warm brown, and I'm just layering that right on top of the first shade we applied, right into the crease. I'm gonna go in with the shade Dollywood, which is a gorgeous burnt orange, and I'm just popping that very lightly throughout the crease. I don't want it to be too concentrated because I do want to keep the eyes slightly warm, not too warm, but it's such a beautiful burnt orange, and I'm just applying that right on top, layering these colors on the crease. Now I'm going to go in with one of my favorite shades, Embark, and I'm just going to apply that right in the outer corner of the eyes. And just kind of patting it and applying it on the outer corners. So there's a softly. You don't want to bring this color up too high because it can be super dark and harsh. So you want to keep it fairly low. And I'm just blending it right into the crease. I love how these shadows blend effortlessly, but they're still super pigmented. I am going to go in with a little bit of Amber Lights, which is one of MAC's iconic shades. Such a beautiful gold. I'm gonna keep it on the inner third of the lid because on the outer corner we do have the darker embark. So it's just gonna be along the inner portion of the lid. To give the eyes an extra pop, I'm gonna add a little bit of glitter. So I'm gonna go in with one of my favorite Dazzle shadows. This one's in the shade Blanking Brilliant. This is almost like a copper gold, and this is what it looks like. So next I'm going to be using this eye crayon from MAC. It's in the shade Smolder. It's a really nice creamy black. And I'm going to be applying this on the upper lash line. You can warm it up at the back of your hand just to get it super creamy. Just like that. So next I'm gonna go in with a dark brown and black shade, and I'm just going to softly set the kohl liner and kind of smudge it on the lid. By just softly pressing right on top of the liner. So now that we're done with the eyes, we can move on to the skin. So we've already prepped the skin with the essential oil. If your skin still feels a little dry, you can go ahead and apply some more. Since my skin is really hydrated, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply my Strobe cream. You guys know I love this stuff. It was in my last kit. This one's in Goldlite. So for foundation, I'm going to be using this foundation from MAC, the Studio Fix Fluid SPF 15. This foundation is beautiful. It's medium to full coverage. It's a soft, satin, radiant finish on the skin, and it just lasts all day long. Looks great in pictures as well. So now that the foundation is on, I'm going to move on to concealer. And for concealer, I am going to be using two of the MAC Studio Fix Pro Longwear concealers. And one is more of a peachy shade, and one is more of a light golden shade. This is what they look like. Fix powder in NC30 to set the under eyes. Just like that. To set the cream contour and bronze the skin, I'm going to be using MAC's Mineralize Skinfinish, and this is in the shade Give Me Sun. Just going to be taking like a bigger bronzing brush, and I'm just going to set the cream contour we applied earlier and bronze the skin just to add a little bit of color. Blush, I'm going to be using MAC's Raizin. For highlight, I'm going to be using MAC's Extra Dimension Skin Finish in Superb. I am going to go in with the same black Smolder pencil on the waterline, and then we're going to smoke it out with Embark. Just like that. So for mascara, I'm going to be using the Extra Dimension Mascara in Extreme Black. So my favorite part, time for the lips. Start off with the Prep and Prime MAC Lip Primer, but fill in any lines and make sure you get the most of your lip products. And then I'm gonna grab my MAC lip liner in Cherry, and I'm just gonna line my lips. Of the show, Powder Kiss lipstick in Shocking Revelation. So this is the first way I love wearing Shocking Revelation. I pair it up with Cherry lip liner, and it makes a classic gorgeous red lip, and it's a blue tone red lip, makes your teeth look super white and super bold but wearable. Love. Now I'm going to show you guys the second way I love wearing Shocking Revelation. I'm going to start off with the Lip Prep and Prime again. And then I'm going to go in with a deeper lip liner. And this is how I love wearing it, with a darker lip liner to give it more of an ombre look. To finish off the look, I'm going to be using MAC's Holy Grail Fix Plus to set the skin. I'll be back to show you guys the full look with the finished hair. Thank you so much, MAC, for working with me again on another special campaign. I can't wait for you guys to try this lipstick. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys do see me in stores, take a photo, DM me, message me. I can't wait to see your recreations with your Powder Kiss lipstick. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.